Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing some of the very key important aspect which every software professional will go through in their life. That is, one is career setback. It can happen anytime in our career in software industry. There could be a lot of setbacks may happen, or sometime we may have job loss as well. So how to recover or how to cope up with this kind of situation that I am going to discuss in this video. What are the different things you should do in order to set back from your career or from a job loss? The first thing we should do is you should allow yourself to understand our process, and you should reflect yourself why this has happened, why the job loss has really happened. That you should reflect on yourself and understand what is the area of improvements or what are the areas of growth you should look into that. That is by doing a self-assessment. That is very key here. Unless if you are not doing post-mortem yourself, you won't be knowing why that situation has occurred. The first thing you should do is you should do yourself a post-mortem or lesson learned, why that setback has happened or job loss. That is the first thing you should do in order to recover from it. And the next is you should also reach out to any of your network who can help you in this matter. That is a key. It could be your mentor, or it could be your professional network in the office circle, or different organizations or friends, family, to keep you the emotional support and as well as guidance. That is very key because you are not just the person you are going to this kind of situation. Everybody in this industry will go through one or the other day. It is better to seek a support from the network group, so that definitely that would help you to navigate in this difficult times. And next one is, once you are able to assess yourself, then you should evaluate and learn from the experience, because you have learned what are the mistakes you have made. Now you should explore by learning new things. Unless if you are not learning new things, and unless if you are not trying to learn new things, definitely you cannot be there in the software industry. For that, you should learn and evaluate yourself on day-to-day basis and keep learning new things. That is the key in order to stay relevant in software industry. The next one is you should update and enhance your skills as well. Maybe you have setbacks because of lack of skills, or you lost a job because of the skill set mismatch or whatever. So what you should do is you should look on all your skill sets and what is the latest trend skill set. You should match your skill sets, your skills accordingly, by taking any online courses or by attending any workshop, or even by taking up any certification is also help you to stay competitive in the job market. And the next thing is, once you have done all these things, you should update your resume as well. You should update your resume, and you have to keep online presence like in LinkedIn or any other online professional network. That is a key in order to cope up with these problems. And the next thing what you should do is, as we discussed earlier, once your resume is ready, you are not just posting your resume to any of the job portals. You should also explore any your colleagues or any other office colleagues can recommend your profile by having a network, by connecting in the LinkedIn with the various communities, so that you can request for job opportunities, or even if you can attend any job fairs or industry meetups, so that you can meet up the potential employers there to get the new jobs there as well. And next thing is, you should always stay positive. Whenever you have a job loss or whenever there is a setback in your career, it is always good to stay positive and maintain a continuous routine. Unless otherwise, if you are not positive and not keeping routine, it becomes very difficult. You have to keep trying, you have to keep searching for a job without having any negativity. Definitely you will get a job, or you should be very good in your software career. And the next one is, not getting full-time job, you can also explore these freelancing or contracting jobs, so that you can gain the experience. You can gain the experience in those latest trends which you have done as part of freelancing or contracting work. You can definitely showcase in your profile, and you can keep searching. You will end up in landing one or the other job. And as we discussed, you should also look for any support is required from the professional groups. Definitely you should reach out. You should not just keep yourself away, or you should not keep separate yourself with the software industry. You should keep exploring. You should in touch with the network group. Then only you can grow in this software industry. And the last and not the least is, you should always resilient, and you should show perseverance in finding a job. Otherwise it is very difficult in this industry. Any setbacks or any job loss which are very temporary, it will go away one or the other day. Until if you are not trying, keep trying, these problems will keep coming. As a software professional, you should always have a positive mindset. You should have a strong motivation yourself on your career goals, and if you keep trying persistently on your job search, definitely you will get a right job for you. These are some of the things you should do whenever you have career setbacks or job loss in the software industry. I hope you guys got a clear idea what are the different things you should do. If you really like this video, please share with your friends, colleagues, and as well as if you like this video, click on like button. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.